Hello guys, I wanted to do this Lenndy review because I was asked, and I'm doing this for one of the P2P investment community. So I just wanted to share my experience with Lenndy and just to show around the platform and what you can do. So basically, as you can see, I'm already logged into the account, and remember guys, you need to register in order to log into the account, but you can do that for free using Facebook, Google, so it's like very simple. But if you wanted to put money, you need to do another registration with this money system that Lenndy is using. I didn't have much problems, but it's just another additional step to do. But if you pass by, you can start investing. A lot of people ask me many things about investing and the P2P platforms, other assets like other investments. And when it comes to Lenndy, there's a lot of questions, and I definitely recommend you to go and check help section. This is gonna answer you many questions you have, and you can get the basic information that it's needed in order to start investing and to know the terms and to understand what it's about. So check help, and so it's gonna save you a lot of time if you do that. Okay guys, so just let's go back. And as you can see, this is what you see when you log into your account, and the account starts with overview page. This is basically what you're gonna use. This overview account statement, I actually very rarely look at it. It's like bank statement, where it just shows money in, money out, so it's not something that I'm much interested. Portfolio, I do this a lot, and auto invest. It's one of the new functionalities, not like new, but it was added during my use of Lenndy. So so guys, first in overview page, you're gonna see three tables, basically account balance, my investments, and active investments. And you can check your account balance, then currently invested amount, and available funds. So basically the money that you get after the loan generated you money, and it can be from interest and it can be from principal. And here you can see the money earned, and what it's as well interesting for me. Most of the time guys, I'm really looking at this with the simplicity. I just look how much I earned, of course, that available funds, which you can see as well here. So basically I reinvest this into new loans. And yeah, so another table is my investments, and this shows how many of my investments been repaid. So basically that I got my money with interest and principal back. Current investments, and they then go by the period and the latency of the borrower, if he or she is late with the payment. So what I like actually about Lenndy, there is actually no these delayed payments. All loans are paid well, and remember guys, you will see fluctuation, because sometimes at one particular month maybe the borrower will be late, but then he or she will cover the next month for these 2 months. So it can fluctuate, but I never actually seen a lot of go under or over 30 days late. So it's pretty nice for investor to know that the money is being repaid nicely. And of course Lenndy added this grace period. Basically this is like short term where you where the money is a bit backed because of these bank payments, as you can see, then the collection policies of loan originators, national holidays, and etc. So this is just another way just to, you know, show that the repayment is a bit late, you can say that. And it's most of the time not because of the borrower's fault, it's basically because of these transactions going on. Okay guys, so account statement, I think so I will bypass because, as I said, I don't really actually look at it. Oh, and of course active investment, sorry guys, I don't watch this a lot, so this is why I think so I just wanted to skip it. But you can check there the loans and by the like active investments, basically the ones that, you know, from the total that are active and now are working, like where the money is put to work, right? And yeah, so you can see by the loan terms, so like how long this loan is the length of the loan that I invested. So I basically do not check this a lot, so I don't think so it's very important. This is actually my investments is the main table, sorry, is the main table I watch an overview page. Okay guys, so let's go to the portfolio because I think so it's really interesting one. And as you can see here, we got all the loans I invested, right? And you can see here that this loan is being repaid. And you can see here ID of the loan, and definitely check it out, because if you wanted to remind yourself, you know, who is a borrower, an example, then collateral, what assets are pledged for that loan, because remember if the borrower doesn't give the money back, the loan originators actually demand the assets, and most of the time they earn even more money, and you as well. So as well you can get loan information like loan type, loan purpose, repayment dates, total credit amount, and etc. Right? Okay, so then of course in investment date, amount, again the loan type, interest that's gonna be paid, then like this is the status of payment date, and as you can see it's repaid, right? So there's nothing showing on, but we will check other loans. And here you can see is there's buyback guarantee. This is basically a very nice feature by Lenndy. Buyback basically, and I always enjoy this information. They always, you know, can help you see the information you want, right? So buyback mark indicates where the loan has an originator's buyback guarantee. So basically, loan originators, those guys who give out the loans, guarantee you that the safety for that loan. So it's pretty nice feature, and I actually look for loans that have this buyback guarantee. But I had good experience as well with the loans that do not have this buyback guarantee. So I know it didn't bother me a lot at this point. So then principal outstanding, how much money, most of the time is the principal, you know, the amount you are invested. Then there's schedule. Actually I never checked it out. I do not know. I will do that maybe later. And received interest, so basically how much that loan netted me money from the interest, right? And as well you can check this all, you know, legal stuff right here. And let's just get to the, like, here you go. This is again secured car loan, and you can see I invested 300, and there is 15% interest on this one. And as you can see here, you can see, you know, the next payment date and the term, how much is left. So you can see it right here. And of course principal outstanding, some of the money is paid out, the interest working pretty nicely here, right? And you know, and the money is received, you're getting this interest, which you can actually collect right away and reinvest. And what is as well cool, I never used it actually, but if something, you know, I do not you know, recommend you to do that, because to sell the loan, you know, you need that, that means you need that money really bad. If not, let the money work for you guys. You wanna earn, you know, money as I do, and you know, it's very simple. So yeah, basically my experience with Lenndy is pretty great, guys. And what I like about the many P2P investment platforms, you know, through them you can invest into these personal loans. The business loans are way better, and the interest is good because of the economies where these loans are originated from, so basically the Baltic states. And yeah, guys, so I think so this is not something, you know, hard to understand. Just save up money, invest with Lenndy, and earn nice interest actually. As well, there's auto invest, you know, where you can actually create the portfolio. I haven't checked it, you know, maybe I'm a bit old school, but you and I do this, you know, I want to check this loan, I wanted to check the originator, and etc and etc. So, you know, just to get the feel, or just, you know, to act as investor, you know, I'm just doing some work. So you know, my wife is thinking that I'm doing something here very smart, you know. And yeah, you can create your portfolio like simply, and it can like auto invest in the loan types. Sorry guys, in the loan types you are interested. So this is pretty nice feature. I do believe so. I'm gonna try it out later. But at this point, you know, I enjoy the way how I'm, you know, working with Lenndy. And here it is, guys. It's as well. You can check here. Sorry, I just wanted to finish this nicely. Loans. Where is loans? Funded loans. No. So yeah, guys, you can actually without registration go and check these loans, the ones that you can invest in, and the loans you know, get out pretty quickly, and a lot of investors are, you know, chasing them. So you need to sometimes be quick, but there is always some loans to invest every day. But these loans are good, make money, and this is why I think so investors are eager to invest. So guys, I don't want to take more of your time. I hope you enjoyed this review about Lenndy. I'm gonna do a review for other platforms, and bye for now, and good investing. Bye guys.